Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Myers. I'm the New York Times bestselling author of The Autoimmune Solution and The Thyroid Connection. I have helped thousands of people from around the world take back their health. And now I'm so excited to bring to you the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook. I wrote this book for the millions of you who understand the huge role that food plays in your health, and for those of you who want to make optimal health a way of life. Nourishing your body, brain, and immune system doesn't have to be meal after meal of sweet potatoes and plain roasted chicken, or spending hours in the kitchen. Your meals can be quick, delicious, and exciting. You can also enjoy fluffy baked goods, exotic flavors, and even comfort foods, all while reversing autoimmunity, thanks to the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook. And I want you to know it's far more than just a cookbook. In the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook, I walk you through the 4 pillars of the Myers Way, which empower you to address the root cause of your autoimmune condition using simple yet proven diet and lifestyle changes. If you haven't read the Autoimmune Solution or followed my online program, this book provides you with everything you need to understand exactly what's causing your symptoms and how to overcome them, as well as how to put it all into practice. In addition, I've included an A to Z pantry guide with all the ingredients, tools, and kitchen gadgets to stock for the perfect autoimmune-friendly pantry. If you're ready to enjoy mouth-watering meals that will help you take back your health and your life, this cookbook is an absolute must-have, so get your copy today.